Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. Let's see who it's from. Whoop. Aha. We have two cross stitches. Hold on, gotta get rid of the baggie. Alright, this is from GBFKE, and I ordered this when I thought that the other package was never going to arrive. So we have a duplicate. Hold that thought. I need a drink. We're getting there. Of course, I have it in a bottle and it takes forever to screw it up. So I ordered this one again. I'll just take the picture out. It is an 11 count, and it is Cherry Blossom, Cherry Blossoms, Lantern, and Cake. It is a 40 by 55, and it's 148 by 213, and this will be in a giveaway at some point, because I've already started this, and yeah, but it's a beautiful kit. Has 40 colors in it, and it is a bit confetti, not too bad. I mean, it just kind of goes on forever, and it's got a nice paper pattern. Paper pattern matches the canvas. So yeah, but I won't take it all out of its thing since I've already shown this for this channel actually. So yeah, so look for that and a giveaway at another time. And it was $14.99, 40 by 55. Now the next one I got is a 40 by 60. I had to look at it again. Get it out of its crinkle bag. I thought this was just stunning. Loved, 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 loved the colors. Yeah, it looks like he's all made out of metal. Hang on, let's see if I can fold it this way and get it to lay flat. Isn't that just stunning? I thought it was beautiful. And it does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per squares here. It comes on a big page with instructions of how to start, how to end, and a great big paper pattern. It has 38 colors, very nicely printed. It's fairly easy to read, you know, and it's going to have some confetti in it. Oh yeah, it's going to be a piece of work. Has 310 black, 823, which is a dark blue. Does have 939. I thought maybe it'd have some 3371, but nope. And it doesn't have any white. The white they're using is that 3770. So you have 3863. So very nice paper pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas. So let's put that up there out of our way. We'll and see what the colors look like. I'm just gonna get you up just a little bit higher. You were just kind of low. So we have another ox. I don't know if you can see that there. Maybe it's almost better if I take my hand away. And it comes with 4 needles, poof ball, thimble, and a needle threader. We'll just set that aside for a minute and look at the colors. Oh yeah, this is full coverage. Get that out of the way. So you got some hanks of thread here. You got 40 strands of 310 black. You have 40 strands of 939, which is that deep dark black blue, and another one. So 2 whole skeins. Yeah, that's hanks of thread, not skeins, hanks, because they're huge. So in each one of these, there's 40 strands of thread. This looks like 151. Nope, a 154. It's a beautiful mulberry color. And this looks like 902. Let me guess. Oh, 902. It's that other dark red I like. Yeah. Favorites are 221, 902, 498, and 321, which is Christmas red. And I got to get situated here. And these are all the rest of the colors. Got some browns. This looks like a, I don't know, like a milk chocolate color. It's not too dark, maybe a darker mocha, if you will. Everybody's all attached here. And then we have all these luscious, luscious tiger looking colors. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You may go this way. And I'll go fairly slow. There's that white color that I was talking about, that 3770. I've had that for others. Very beautiful, beautiful colors. Let's see if I can shake it out so we can see what we're doing here. There's the mulberry 154. There's where your 310 goes. There's a little bit of that orange and a little bit of that red. Number 13, no. Number 13 is 777. And this is the 902. So very beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous tiger colors. Awesome. I just love this. So let us see here. Roll it all together because I don't want to lose those hanks. Okay, let's look at the canvas. It is serged all the way around. Does have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Got a couple little fuzzies here. Yeah, this is like loaded with confetti, so I wouldn't even know where to begin. Maybe the tip of his ear. I got nothing, because there is not like over here there's predominantly red and a little predominant yellow. Let's look down here, and then you've got that dark, or the blue, but other than that the rest of it's pretty confetti. Yeah, but it's very nicely printed. Very nice key, very easy to see. The stitching along the side does not go into it, but you can see all of the lovely symbols. It's just wonderful. Oops, we're trying here. It is, about 15 3/4 or almost 40 centimeters. Let me see if I can undo this. Hold that thought. 2 seconds. We'll try. Whoops. We're getting there. Alright. 50 centimeters. Nope, I'm sorry. 60.5 centimeters going that way. So you get a little extra. The actual size of the picture is 13.25 inches or 33.5 centimeters, thereabouts. Whoops. And 21.5 centimeters or 55 centimeters. So, yeah. I can hardly wait to start on this. It's just absolutely beautiful. I don't care. It's going to be confetti no matter what you do. So, take it a little bit by little bit. Yep. But just gorgeous colors. I can hardly wait to see this stitched. or starting, you know, to come together in all the beautiful colors. So I hope it meets up to its pictures aspects, you know, or you know, I hope it aspires to be just like the picture. But yeah, I don't know how close that's all going to be, but we'll see. We will see. Well, thank you, GBFKE, for sending me these beautiful kits. They do have cross-stitch and diamond painting, and they also have embroidery. They have free shipping on orders over $59 or $55. Can't remember which one it was. And they have tools and crafts for both those. They do not have a separate Joy Sunday section, but they do mark the Joy Sundays as Joy Sundays 90% of the time. They do custom, and I'm not sure in what they do custom, like if it's all cross stitch or if it's cross stitch and diamond painting. So you'd have to check that out. And they do have 18 count cross stitch. I don't think it's counted, but I think they're all printed. Don't quote me on that. But if they have any specials, I will let you know down below, because now they're having spring or Easter specials. So do check them out. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.